Okay, everybody, so we got to the last part, kind of the wings, and then we're gonna still have to do the propeller and some glass parts. Now, I want to show you something. Those pieces that come with the wings, and there's another one over there. Those are garbage. This is nothing to do with the aircraft at all. What it is, it's to teach you how those works. Those are F turn, and you pull it out. Half turn and you pull it out tabs, and you lock it, and then you open it, and then you're going to pull it out, and then you pull this thing out. This is how the wings actually assemble together. 1 second, I need to do this very gently, because when they don't want to come out, you don't want to force it. That's it. It's out, and then this thing will come out. You see, so this is the shape when you put the wings in. This go inside, and then it's turn and lock the wings in place. But this is garbage. The parts here, it's inside of this part, okay? So pay attention to it. Now, we're gonna put those things back, so we're not gonna lose them for now. And we're gonna lock them into place. Again, we're gonna put it in, whoops. And lock it, okay, so. Now we have the wings. So those wings have a couple parts that need to get pushed in. Now one of the parts is those kind of wingtip sliders. So what those do, whenever you land your airplane hard and the wingtip gonna want to actually hit the ground, this will actually stop it. Okay, so when the wing's gonna do something like that, it will prevent damage. Okay, so if you land and you hit the wings, nothing will break. That being said, after you put it in, you can actually pull it out super easily. Leave those out, put them before you fly. If not, you're gonna poke the airplane, you're gonna poke your eyes with it. So it's a really cool part, and I recommend to leave it out. Now if you do have a 3D printer at home, put it in here on the tip, make a small ball and put it in. A small plastic ball, and just put it there, and it will save you a lot of headaches, scratching and destroying stuff. I'm gonna leave those out right now. I really don't want them on my airplane at this point. And let's go to more important stuff. So when you look at your wings right here, so there's a lot of going on. You have over here your servos, you have here the connectors for the wings, and the big thing over here, this is the boom that's going inside of your wings. And what it does, it's let you actually, there's another boom that's gonna go into the aircraft. I'm gonna show right now. It's gonna be one of those. This going inside here, and then this going in the center of the aircraft, and this what lifting the wings, okay? Now this is just so you know what you're doing. Now there is those little pins, okay? Those gonna go right there, and what those things do, this is alignment, so the wing will be straight when you actually put it in to the airplane. So pay attention to those. This is pretty important. I don't believe really actually it's really important, I'm just telling you. This all it does is make sure that the wing is straight, that it's not going to go up and down. I think that the part itself is way too small to actually do anything, to be honest with you. You want to glue it in, and then put it in while you're turning it, so the glue will go everywhere. And then shove it to inside, and yes, that's it, you're done. Just forget about it. I'm going to put a little bit kicker. And the reason I put a kicker on it, because it's going to expand a little bit, and it's going to hold a little bit stronger. Now there's a couple other items that these wings actually carry with it, and some of the items are those kind of, where are they? There's the pitot that go on top of it, and a couple other small things. Now this one don't have it, it's the other one we left. There is another hole that those guys going in on the aircraft. Actually there's one here. This one gonna go over here. Okay, and then You have two small screws that we were trying to use earlier that did not fit anything, and those will go here. And again, it's all very nice details, but while you're gonna actually move in your airplane, those are the things that are gonna break on you, so please be very gentle on it, okay? Those things will probably snap. And it's funny, like they have a lot of light all over the airplane, and I saw that there is a hole, but there's a nice plexiglass over there. So this airplane, this wings is almost ready. If I flip it again, I'm looking for a hole, and this one don't have it, so it's going to be the other one. The other one have antenna on the roof of it. Okay, let's put this thing upside down actually, so it's not going to get damaged. Then we go here. So again, we're repeating the same process of early. We open this, we open that. We're gonna pop those guys out, and this is garbage. You can keep those are cool pieces if you ever want to hang the wings in your garage. You can actually put those back in, and you have like already a anchor over here. Just put a nail on the wall, shove this in, and you can actually hang those. Hey, go get a patent on it, Bob. Okay, this is gonna fit today. Okay, this is done. Now, if you already built an airplane for a long time, you will know that there's supposed to be a servo arm coming from this hole right there and going back, but they did everything from the inside. So whenever you look at it and say, okay, what's going on? Where is the servo arm? And the servo arm is buried inside of there. So there is still a hole here, just so you can make sure that it's working. Now, we have another one of those pitot, and those gonna go right there. By the way, you need for those number 1 screwdriver, not number 2. So you need a sharper screwdriver. I know it's the end of the video and you guys, what? Now you're telling us? Yeah. Watch the video first, watch it twice, then you know always how to build better. Okay, so this is in, and then we have to go back right there, and we still have to put the alignment pin. So we're gonna take the alignment pin here. We're gonna again soak it with glue. Push it in and zap it, and then it's almost ready. Now this one, when we're gonna flip it, I put here a box on purpose. We have an antenna that's gonna go right there, and this is the antenna that need to go right there. Now this again, one of the things that I think that will be a kind of a problem whenever you want to actually carry your airplane, because you have the antenna right here and you have this thing on the bottom, so no matter how you look at it, it's gonna have a problem. So we're gonna actually start gamble how long this will last before it's break. I think that it's gonna be about 2 flights or so, and there's always people that gonna come in the field and touch it and wanted to see if it's, what is this thing, why is it there, is it metal, is it plastic, and touch it and gonna cause it to break. Lift, spray, plug. That's it, installed. Okay, so our wings have all the parts on it right now, so the wings are completely ready. And what I'm going to do is just move those like this sideways. Yeah, it's a problem because of the small pieces on the bottom, so it's a problem even to put them one on top of the other. So what I'm gonna have to do is kind of stack them this way. Yeah, it's like this and that. This can go here, this can go there, and this can just hold them together. That's it. Okay, now I have something cool to show you guys. So this was the part that we done the wings. The wings are ready to get installed, and now we're gonna go back next video right now. We're gonna go to the fuselage and finish everything and make it ready for remote. So let's jump into it. Jump to the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And there is a small heart on the bottom if you want to donate any money so we can get better video and better gear for you. Don't forget, RC Monster Garage, like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.